Assembly. For operation of the device, you will need a Perma Pro MP-6 basic system, including the Pro MP-6 connecting cable and the Pro B battery for supplying energy to the lubrication system. You will also need a Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 with lubricant, and a reusable cover for the Pro LC. Remove all protective caps. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Pay attention to the printed arrow indicating the correct direction. Place the Pro LC in the cover and remove the plug. Press the Pro LC into the cover until lubricant is expelled from the outlet opening. Place the Pro LC with the cover on the Pro MP-6 basic system. Make sure that the catch engages in place and the gear teeth on both components, Perma Pro MP-6 basic system and Pro LC, mesh. Now turn the cover clockwise until the bayonet catch engages in place. To connect the Pro MP-6 distributor to the Perma Pro drive, connect one end of the 4-pin Pro MP-6 connecting cable to the connection on the Perma Pro drive and the other end to the connection on the Pro MP-6 distributor. Screw both plug connections in place. Activation. When the Pro LC is attached, the display screen shows --. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. The display screen shows the runtime. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds again. A pin prompt appears on the display screen. The default factory setting for the pin is 00. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds and set the size of the LC. You can use the On-Off Select button to choose either Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 as the size of the LC. Confirm your input by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. With this button push, you access the next menu item. To proceed with configuration, it is important to ascertain the appropriate discharge period. Use the overview table in the operating instructions for this purpose. To discharge lubricant with time control, select a time configuration of months, weeks, or days. You can define the number of months using the On-Off Select button. If you wish to set weeks or days, press the Mode Save button repeatedly until the desired selection appears on the display screen. Select the desired discharge period by pressing the On-Off Select button. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to access the next menu item, Configuration Outlets. On the Perma Pro MP-6, you can choose between 6 outlets. Outlet 1 flashes first. You can activate it by pressing the On-Off Select button once. If Outlet 1 is activated, a marking appears on the display screen behind the text showing Outlet 1. Now select further outlets by pressing the Mode Save button repeatedly. Press the On-Off Select button to activate the outlet. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to access the next menu item. When configuring the lubrication system for the first time, you have the option of changing the pin. Change the first digit using the On-Off Select button and confirm the change by pressing the Mode Save button once. The second digit can then also be changed in the same way. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to save the pin input. The Perma Pro MP-6 is now fully configured. The Perma Pro MP-6 is ready for operation. Switch on the Perma Pro MP-6 by pressing the On-Off Select button. When the Perma Pro MP-6 detects the battery and is supplied with energy, the green LED flashes and a first initialization run is performed. With the initialization run, the system checks whether all the outlets are detected. On completion of the initialization run, the Perma Pro MP-6 switches to operating mode.